Cosmo-Topia Cosmetics Expo. I don't know, I just be taking you guys around, letting you guys see what's happening here. It's my first year here, and I hope it's going to be very good. So, you guys will get to see. I'm here with my friend, Chevanese Jonas. Hi! You will see her. So I'll just basically be showing you guys just some stuff, some clips. Hopefully we get to meet some really cool people, and I hope you guys have fun watching this video. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, and by the way, let me give you guys a little outfit of the day kind of thing. I just have on this spandex type of top with regular jeans, plain Jane, and some flip-flops.
Yep.
And some gold accessories. And my makeup is very basic as well. Nothing too extravagant. I just came here to have some fun, so I hope we have some fun. You think we can have some fun food?
We definitely will.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye. it's been good. I swear this is so cool. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop now.
Okay guys, so we are now officially leaving the expo, and it was the bomb. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked our little vlog thing, and I'll be doing more vlogs in the future. Like, yo, should I be like a makeup ton of. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Anyways, guys, bye.